Hi everyone, my name is Ashley Hay. I'm a mixed media artist. Today I'm going to tell you about Powerwax, which is an art medium available from Powertex Art Supplies. Powerwax is a water-based cold wax and it works with any water-based art mediums. Why do I love Powerwax? Well, you can get some really beautiful effects with the Powerwax in your artwork, and I love using it as a final layer to really finish off and embellish my artworks with a different type of finish. So it will dry to a really beautiful satin waxy look. Now, there are no VOCs or volatile substances in the Powerwax, which means that you can really experiment and push the medium. You can apply the Powerwax with palette knife, sponge, brush, your finger, anything that will basically apply it to the artwork. How I like to apply it is with my finger. The best tool in the art studio. With the Powerwax, you do need to bear in mind that it does need to have a binder added to it. So it has no binder in it, so it's really, really important to add something like your Powertex Ultimate Medium to your Powerwax so that it really holds it all together structurally. And I've got to say, when you use the Powerwax with Ivory Powertex, it gives you a beautiful atmospheric smoky look to your painting. So how can I use the Powerwax? I've already given you one example with the Ivory Powertex. If you want a translucent layer where you can see through the layer of wax, you can combine your wax with transparent Powertex, which will actually dry clear. I can also use the Powerwax with pigments, and the pigments will get brighter as the Powerwax dries. If you have created gorgeous cracks with easy structure, you can actually fill the cracks with the Powerwax and you'll get that colour really coming through in those cracks. So it is a beautiful thing to do. Working with Bister and the Powerwax will actually give you a really gorgeous sort of semi-transparent lustrous effect that is coloured, and so you'll find the Bisters will actually seep through the Powerwax. So if you've sprayed Bisters underneath and you put a translucent or semi-transparent layer over the top, your Bister layer will actually softly come through the wax. So experiment to your heart's content. The other thing that you can try is you can also try adding some of the powders from Powertex, such as Easy 3D Flex and 3D Sand, into the wax to create like a thicker gel. And a fun thing to do, of course, is to scratch back into the wax and reveal some of those underlayers. So if you love working with alternative art surfaces, exploring exciting techniques with mixed media, you are going to love this medium from Powertex Art Supplies, Powerwax. If you'd like to learn more about Powertex Art Supplies, go to the Powertex Australia website. There's so much information there that you'll find, or of course you can watch some of our other videos on the channel. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the bell for notifications of our new releases. Power on with Powerwax. Enjoy creating, everybody.